Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to center a table in Word quickly and easily. So now let's get started. Step 1, right-click on the table that you want to center to open the context menu. The context menu is a small pop-up list that appears when you right-click, and it gives you quick access to table-related options. This step is important because it allows you to access the settings needed to adjust the table's position. Step 2, click on Table Properties from the context menu to open the Table Properties dialog box. This dialog box contains different settings that control how your table looks and behaves in the document. It is the main place where you can adjust alignment and positioning options for your table. Step 3. In the Table Properties window, click on the Table tab, then under Alignment, select the Center button. The Table tab is located at the top of the dialog box, and the Alignment section lets you choose how the table is positioned on the page. Selecting Center ensures that your table is placed evenly between the left and right margins. Step 4. Click on Close to apply the changes and center the table on the page. Once you click Close, the settings are saved and your table will appear centered in your document. This final step confirms your changes and completes the process. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.